What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be doing division of complex numbers in rectangular form. So guys, before we start, I'd just like to say pause this video, try to solve this problem, and let's see if your answer is going to be the same answer as the one that you're going to get at the end of this video. So before I start though, I'd just like to say thank you very much guys for subscribing, commenting to the channel, not forgetting those who like and share the videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video you get notified as soon as possible, because I have made a lot of videos. You can also watch those videos in the playlist, and I'm planning to make more videos in the future. So guys, let's simplify this problem here. So let's look at what is given to us. We are given z1, which is that, and you're also given this complex number, which is z2 here. So they want you to simplify the following, which you have bar z2 divided by z1, and then they want you to leave your answer in a rectangular form. So you need to understand, when you see a bar on a z, this means that this is a conjugate. So I've already made videos on conjugate. You can go to the description and you can watch that video where I explain about conjugate, and also there will be a video that will pop up on the top right. Click on it to watch that video. So the conjugate guys of z2 is going to be 2 minus I. Remember, we only change the sign of the imaginary number, and then we divide by z1. So z1 is negative 4 minus 3i. There we go. So guys, when you deal with division, you must multiply by 1, but that 1 must consist of the conjugate of the denominator, and they must divide each other. So here's what I mean the conjugate of the denominator. Remember, we're gonna say 4, so the conjugate of the denominator is gonna be plus 3i divided by negative 4 plus 3i. As you can see, these are the conjugates, but when you divide them, it's gonna give you 1. This is what I mean when I say multiply by 1 and the conjugate. Remember guys, the conjugate of the complex number in a rectangular form, you just change the sign of the imaginary number. So from here guys, we're gonna multiply the numerators. So let's do this. So the numerators, when you multiply 2 and negative 4, is going to give us negative 8. When you multiply 2 with a positive 3i, it's going to give us plus 6i. And then we come to negative I. Negative I multiplied by negative 4 is going to give us positive 4i. And then we say negative I multiplied by positive 3i is going to give us negative 3i squared. Then we multiply the denominators. Now we have negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. This is going to give us positive 16. We have negative 4 multiplied by positive 3i. This is going to give us negative 12i. And then we have negative 3i multiplied by negative 4. This is going to give us positive 12i. And then last but not least, we have negative 3i multiplied by positive 3i. This is going to give us negative 9i squared. Alright, so from here guys, I'm just going to continue from this side. You look at the numerators, you see we have 6i and 4i. So these are the like terms. So these like terms here, they wanna add each other. So we're just gonna continue and write our negative 8. What is 6i plus 4i? This is gonna give us 10i. There we go. But then we're gonna have minus 3. But let's look at this I here. This I is squared. So from the introduction of the imaginary numbers, which I made a video on, you can go to the description again to watch the video, and also it will pop up on the top right there where I explained that I squared is equal to negative 1. So wherever there is I squared, we're going to substitute with negative 1. then we divide. There we go. Then we look at our denominator. We're gonna have 16, and then we have negative 12i and positive 12i. This one here, they are like terms, so they're gonna subtract each other and give you 0. So we're gonna be left with negative 9, remember, and I squared. But what is I squared? It's gonna be negative 1, just like the one here in the numerator. So from here we continue, guys. We have negative 8, so we write in negative 8 here, plus 10i, and this becomes plus 3. Divide by 16, then this becomes plus 9. So if we continue here, guys, this is gonna give us, again here, let's look here, we're gonna have negative 8 and positive 3. These are like terms, so we're gonna subtract each other. We're gonna be left with negative 5, and then plus 10i, right, on the numerator. So when we divide on the denominator, we're gonna have 16 plus 9, that is gonna give us 25. So if we continue, this is gonna be actually negative 5 divided by 25 plus 10 divided by 25. Oh, let's not forget this is 10i. So this here is going to give us negative 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5i. So this, guys, is your answer. So guys, I can see this can be long, but really if you understand how to do the rectangular form, when you do the division, you just need to know that you multiply by the conjugate in order for you to do the division of complex numbers. Guys, if this video really helped you to understand, do not forget to like and also comment on the video. Share the video to your friend. If it so happen that there is a point where you didn't understand, don't forget to go to that point and rewatch again, or leave a comment, and I will try to help you as much as I can. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.